What is going on, fellow MTB shredders? Today I'm out with my buddy Hayden here, and we are going to be riding Madrone Mountain Bike Trail in Canyon Lake. I'm on my new Roscoe 8. This is the first time I've actually ridden it as a new bike though, because last time I rode it, the front tire had a big leak, the front caliper broke, so I had to take that off. It was a mess, but this time the bike's actually in order. Let's get shredding. Exactly. All right. It's been a while since I've rolled this. Oh, almost got stuck. Oh God. Oh, this trail hasn't been ridden in a while. I got a duck, oh God. I was just gonna say I got a duck so low for my camera. This way. You kind of lost your quantum dingle. We're gonna wash out. Oh, this is so sketchy. Okay, there we go. Wait, I gotta go look at the beach now. It's loose. That so sucks. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know that was good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yours went a lot further. I mean, those are both good. No, I don't remember what. Isn't there a bowl? Oh no, where's our jump? Somebody moved it. The rocks are still there.
Let's see if I can do my endo to wheelie.
I'm gonna try my wheelie.
Nope, that didn't work.
Ready?
Yeah.
For this, just the wheelie pro. Just the wheelie pro, bro. Just the wheelie pro. Just the freaking wheelie pro.
My shit is gonna hurt for so long.
Oh!
That's probably one of the worst I've had. Cause I mean, I straight up just landed into my shin.
Oh Lord. God, that scared me. That was a good wheelie though.
I don't know how I only have 2 pedal marks in my shin, but okay. Yeah, my endo to wheelie, I'm one good pedal crank away.
From just sending her. There's a little downhill trail we've never ridden. Look at that.
You gotta zoom in. Go ahead. That's good speed.
Whoa!
This is pretty fun.
99% sure it's SRAM GX, that just sounds right.
Oh yeah.
thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, I would love it if you would consider smashing that subscribe button and liking the video. It was definitely fun, quick ride out here. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. This drop's pretty fun out here at Madrone. Good luck finding it though. I couldn't even tell y'all where it is. It took us like, what, 2 or 3 trips to find it? Yeah. It was hard, but thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all on the next MTB adventure.